Hey guys, it's George from Currys, and today we're going to be looking at the Denon DHTS-517 and 3 top features that makes this an incredible soundbar. It's got Dolby Atmos sound with built-in upward firing speakers, the Denon Dialog Enhancer, and how it has 4 different sound modes. I'm going to get myself over to the lab to test out this Dolby Atmos soundbar. Okay, so here we are in the lab with the Denon Soundbar, which has Dolby Atmos sound. Now, what I love about Dolby Atmos is that it can direct sound to a specific location in the room, so you get that deeper spatial audio experience. So when you're sat on the couch watching your favorite TV shows and movies, you're going to be drawn in because you're going to be able to hear more and feel more. So on screen we've got the visualizer, which is going to be showing the direction of sound, and we've got a recording device here that's going to be recording the stereo mix and Dolby Atmos mix, so you get an idea of what it sounds like in the lab today. So we've got the stereo mix playing, and imagine this little head is you. You can hear the sound coming from the left and the right, and it sounds good, but let's switch it up to the Dolby Atmos mix. And boom, there you go. Did you hear that? That instant change. You've got that uplifting sound, and from the visualizer you can see that the sound is encompassing this whole room. It's so immersive, and that's thanks to the upward firing speakers and the incredible tech that's built into this powerhouse of a soundbar. Okay, so up next we've got something that is really cool, which is the Denon Dialog Enhancer. Now what this does is improves the level of dialogue in the TV shows and movies that you're watching. Now I've been in a situation where I've been watching a movie, but the soundtrack is just far too loud and I can't hear what any of the characters are saying. Now that is not going to be the case with this enhancer. Now there's 3 modes to choose from. You've got low, medium and high, and you can control the volume of just the dialogue, which is separate from the overall system volume. Finally, the Denon Soundbar has 4 different sound modes, which are going to come in handy. Now, say you're watching a film and the kids are in bed and you don't want to wake them, you've got night mode, which compresses the dynamic range so that you can hear sounds at lower volumes. Or if you're an audiophile and you want to hear your content in its purest form, you've got pure mode, which eliminates any audio processing. And you've also got movie and music mode, which both speak for themselves. Now these sound modes have all been individually designed so that you can enjoy your entertainment on this incredible Denon soundbar in whichever way you choose. If you want to find out more info on this Denon DHT-S517 soundbar, then why not visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.